Hello everyone, this is the continuation of my previous video where we just tried to create the cyclic barrier. So here actually we create two classes, both in implement runnable. So the first class we implement await, and second class we are going to do some await to with the time interval. So in this case what is going to happen is wait until all have invoked on this barrier or the specified waiting time elapsed. So we have the choice, it will wait until all the barrier is finished or until 3000 second, whichever is fast. So that part we did, but the real part is here, cyclic barrier, how we will do that. So let's see how we can do that. So what I'm going to do is inside this one I'm going to create two instances of my process 1 and process 2. So process 1, then new process 1, then we have process 2, then we have new process 2. Okay, we create two instances, then I need to create a thread class for both. Thread T1 is equal to new thread with process 1, and I will have another thread with process 2. Process 2. So we are done with that. Then we need to start both. So actually all things we already did. Waiting one thread to complete another one, that already did. And right now I am starting my two threads. So I start two thread also. Then so initially to I need to get the two result actually. So I mean both will be 0 initially, and after that you both. Okay, both need to wait or something. So actually I'm not doing anything right now. My this thread also need to wait. So what I'm going to do is just calling my own tester, no tester, dot. Actually it should be in another line. Done. New cyclic barrier dot await. So I am joining with that one also. So that's why I did. Here are some options. Catch code. Everything is done. And after that, what I need to do, I need to find the sum. That will be great if I can do that, but it doesn't matter. So if I am saying like I will create a system dot out dot println, I am process one dot product. I will have a separation here. Then I'm calling my process2. Both are static variables, so I can access at any time. Process2 dot sum. Okay, so I am calling that here also. So that one part I did. Then what I need to do is I need to reset this one. That's another part. How we will reset our cyclic barrier. So here I reset, and after that I am done. So right now I am just trying to run this one. So let's see how I can run. I'm just calling my class and start on that one. Okay, so I will have a public static void main. And inside that I am just creating a barrier tester and new cyclic barrier. Then I need to create a new thread T1. Okay, then just run. Okay, let's see what is going to happen in this condition. Okay, initially it was 0, 3, then it's run 0, 30. So what is going to happen in this condition? So this running straight away this method, and it will create process 1, process 2, and both thread will start, and it also waits for this thread also. So 3 threads in cyclic barrier, so both need to complete. So after that it's complete, the process will finish. So how I can change some of these values to make sure my program is running successfully. So I am just giving 2 minutes instead of milliseconds. I am going to give minutes, so I can sure. Oh, okay, that's not. That's not a valid approach. I'm going to sleep this thread for a 2 second. Oh, after joining that barrier. Okay, so here I'm going to, and I'm running again. Okay, right now it's finished. So some 10:30 that already executed, and the process is exist only after completing this one also. This loop, this particular class. So here it's waiting to complete that one. So right now, yeah, there is a delay on this one. So the cyclic barrier is a good mechanism to make sure all the threads executed. So that's why the cyclic barrier works. That's all for